a number of people from my constituency that has been living in the area has approached me and said that they've heard of this thing going on in other areas. So they had asked if I would facilitate them in the process of doing their paperwork, no? And so, well, as a representative, I'm here to serve the people, and, I opened my office for that to have happened there.
How many people were registered over the weekend at your office?
Well, to tell you the honest truth, I cannot say presently. All right, I would have to get in touch with the guy that was doing it. I understand that he worked overtime. One Mr. Castillo that was facilitating the process. He knows how the process goes, huh? Saving the people the back and forth. So he asked me if I can use my office, and I complied. And I think a lot of the people that were happy. I met some of them yesterday that been here for a number of years. I thought that they were had their papers fixed up and everything, but they just didn't. A lot of people is strapped for time. And I think the weekend was one of the best times I could have facilitated them by allowing them to use my office. And I don't know how many of them and how many of their process will fulfill, because you have to meet a certain criteria. I just have to wait, and see how much of them gonna make it in.